finishes. This is part 3 of the series for the shed. So we've had this door fitted. Let me show you inside. It's a split door the customer's chosen, so we can open it half or full, and then this is the inside. This is what the carpenter did with the roof look. Anyone that's keen-eyed will notice there's no straps on there, but what he did is he bolted the wall plate down through with big long screws down through here, because so a customer wants to get shelves or stuff in there, and the straps won't be in the way. So there we go, nice strong sturdy roof, rubber roof as well on top, all worked out nice. Nice little window with the top opener, frosted glass. So yeah, worked out really good. So that's the inside of it. There's the outside of it. You can see the rubber roof system we put on. We put a bit of gutter down there, and that just goes off into the garden then for a natural soak away. We tyrolened it because the house is tyroline. Give it a couple of weeks. When the render's set, the customer's going to paint that white to match the house. So you've got a nice area down the back for some storage, and you can paint that and maintain it. Nice area down there for that. And Fraser is down here getting rid of all the snobs. There it is. Nice little short video. Nice shed for him. Lasts a lot longer than a wooden one, I can tell you that. Anyway, if you'd like to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, if you want to see the start and the finish of this shed, go on to the playlist and shed build, and you'll see it from start to finish.